Hey guys, so we got a new speaker just got delivered. So you guys have been waiting for this for a while, so it's finally here. So let me go ahead and put my camera right here. So sorry, I had to stop the video because apparently it wasn't facing right, so I had to face the camera the other way, and let's stop at the camera or face it the other way. So I need to be careful here because I've been wanting these speakers for a long time. Alright. Just letting you know people are working upstairs. Just letting you know that. That's why you're hearing some banging noise above me, so. Alright. Oh, they don't have the, oh, shoot. Well, let me get this out of the way. But, however, I'm not going to touch this part too much because I don't want to, like, poke holes, or let me set it down so you can see a better view of it. Alright, guys, so I just got this. This is the sound of it CT10 speaker. Wow, I'm so happy I have these. So I've been actually wanting these for a really long time, and I finally got one. And it's actually styrofoam. I'm not even kidding. It is actually styrofoam. I actually have seen these in MacArthur Center. You guys better watch that video. I actually have seen these in that mall. Maybe one day I'll explore that mall one last time so I can hopefully, before they, close that down permanently. So, I don't know what they're gonna do with it. Yeah. I'm not gonna touch the front of it too much because I don't want to, like, poke holes or make it dirty. Yeah. And let me put this down real quick. Oh, jeez. Gotta be careful here. And we got this. It's the front of it. And we got the back of it right here. And you can see. Well, let me show you what the model number looks like. I can't really. And you can kind of see it. It says CT8. No, not CT8. I mean CT10. And these are most, like, interesting intercom speakers. Maybe one day I'll probably put it in my house. Maybe I actually have seen these before in the house before. So I have seen these in the house before, like a random house. Sadly they're no longer used anymore, but because the person was trying to replace them and then they stopped working for a while. But I've seen these in a mall before. I've seen these in a random high school that I visited a while back. You guys probably saw that video. And I have seen these in a mall, a local mall. You guys remember that McCarter Center Mall? Remember when I did the speaker tour there? They actually had a bunch of these there. I remember a long time ago, I remember a long time ago when I was a kid looking at these, I was like, those are interesting looking speakers. Yeah, I was like, what are those things? I did not think that styrofoam would be the perfect, perfect, perfect cone. Yeah, it's actually a really unique speaker. They're very, if you ever had a chance to get these, save this, because this will probably protect it pretty much. So I'm gonna save this just in case if things happen to this thing. So I just want to say that we're getting really close to hit 350 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you so much and we got 332 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you for all the support, and I hope you have a good day, and thanks so much for watching.